Hi everybody, this is David from Newton Girls Who Code. In this video, I'm going to talk about continuing to work with PyCharm. We'll show about how to start PyCharm after the very first time, how to open a PyCharm project you've already created, how to change an existing program in there. We'll also show how to make a new program within the same project, and then we'll see what happens if you exit PyCharm without closing the project first. So here we go. I've got PyCharm listed in my dock here, so I can just click on it. On a Windows machine, you might need to go to the Start or Run menu. When PyCharm opens, it offers me 4 ways to get to a project. The first one is a class I could take that somebody has created, an introduction to Python. I could also create a new project, or check out a project from a version control site like GitHub or Subversion. Instead, I'm going to open one that I've already made here on my machine. It offers me a list of files, and I can scroll down to find PyCharm projects under my user directory, and sure enough, there it is, my first project that I made in the last video. So I'll click OK, and here it opens up. Now you can see my code that I wrote the last time. We can even run it, and it tells me that I am stuck in the computer. So I would like to change this code. So I will simply go to the edit window, and I will add another line, and that line is print, never mind, I found my way out. Really doesn't matter what you code here, you can put in anything that makes you happy. So now I will run it, and here you see the output, hello world, this is David, and now the new line, never mind, I found my way out. Well, let's make a second program within the same project. So the way to do that is to go over to where it says First Project, hold down the Control key and click with the mouse to get the New menu here. And I will say New Python File. And this one I will call Names. And because it's a Python file, it actually appends the .py for you all by yourself. So here we are. And so I will write my program that does something like this. Name equals raw input of what's your name, and I will put a little new line here and a place for the user to enter so they know they're supposed to enter something here. And then I will say for, what shall I do here? I'll say I equals 0, then I'll say while I less than 10, print hello, and then I'll put the name of the person, and then I will say I equals I plus 1. So this should print out the name 10 times. Let's see if it works. What's your name? My name is David. Hello David, hello David, hello David. Wonderful. So I've got my program, and you see that it is here, names.py, right next to hello world.py. If I want to go back and see hello world.py, I simply double click on it, and it shows up here in the Windows. I also can see these tabs up here that show me the 2 programs I've got, names.py and hello world.py. And I can go back and forth between them, click this one, and say run. And now I've got the I'm trapped hello world. You can make more programs as you like. Finally, we're going to quit. The last time I quit by first closing the project. I want to show you what happens if you quit without doing that. So I simply will go up to PyCharm Edu and say quit. And it asks, am I sure? Of course I'm sure. And it vanishes. The next time I open it, PyCharm Edu, it doesn't ask me how I want to create a project or which project I want to get. It just remembers what project I was at and brings me right back to it. So that's a handy feature. I hope you enjoyed this video. The next one will show us how to store our code not on the local machine, but up in the cloud in one of these version control systems. Bye now.